I won't survive in a French prison. I won't survive at all.
A.m. 6 a.m. this morning. Time to wake up, go to walk. Very tired, Lord. It's about 3 days now we reach France. We traveled for about 24 hours, and when we reached here, I just went back to work the next day. 7 hour different times. Just feel very tired, so just can't wait tonight the weekend to just rest. And yeah, I hope everybody okay. I hope everybody enjoying their week, and catch you guys, okay? So breakfast done. Now it's time to get ready, shower, dress, and go to work. All right.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. It is back to reality, back home from one vacation spot to another. It's just that this is home every single day. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's good to wake up to the beach every single morning again. It's good to be back home. But on that note, I miss Jamaica so much. Not just we miss Jamaica so much. And as you can see, I'm in jacket. Yes, I'm in jacket. When we left home for vacation in Jamaica, we leave here hot. And when we came back and I stepped through the airport exit, I'm like, hold up, where did this cold come from? Yes, baby. Say good morning. Say hello. You're gone. Hello. Uh-oh, be careful. Uh-oh. So it's a little bit chilly here, and but that's okay, that's okay. It's not that chilly when the sun is out, but when the sun is not there, it's a little bit chilly, but we can live with that. So yeah, from one vacation spot to another, we're home. Baby's back to work. I think he talked to you guys a bit this morning. We took a day off from vlogging, but that's okay, we'll still catch up. We took a day off because we were so tired, trying to recover from all the jet lagging. When we got home, the next morning, babe went to work, so he was exhausted and he was really tired. Tyler and I didn't get up until 2 p.m. When you see Tyler woke up, as a matter of fact, he didn't wake and call me like his usual routine. When I jump up, it was 11 p.m. It was 11 a.m. and I said, oh my god, I had to walk and look at every clock in the house to see if I was really seeing right. And then I realized that he missed his 8 o'clock bus, so normally he would wake at 8 and call me, but I know that he would be tired, and I was so tired I didn't set any alarm or anything. So he missed his 8 o'clock bottle, so he didn't get his bottle until 11. When I gave him his bottle at 11, he fall back asleep immediately in my bed, and we didn't get up until 2 p.m. So day one we get up at 2 p.m. so it's getting better as the days goes by. We almost back to our 8 o'clock getting up. This morning we got up at 9, so that wasn't too bad. So we're almost there. So yeah, baby's back to work. I am back to my normal routine with Tyler, and yeah, we're here missing Jamaica as usual, but it's not that bad because I have some Jamaica food to last me for a while, so that's awesome. I'm missing my niece, I'm missing my sister so much. But yeah, apart from that, we're back to normal, back home. And for all of you guys who have joined us while we're in Jamaica, this is home for us. This is home. Welcome to France, and welcome to our daily lives. And thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for keeping up with us. We hope you guys stick around for the long haul. We appreciate every single one of you guys. So yeah, it's back to the norm. It's back to daily vlogging, my daily life or daily life and stuff. Yes, baby. This little goober woke up and got his bottle, so it's time for him to get his fruits, and mama is gonna go make some breakfast. Right? Say hello. Say cuckoo. Say hello. Look at your hair, it's messy. Your hair is messy. You have a messy hair? He loves looking outside. This is his favorite spot because he can stand here and he can look outside and see everything that's happened down there. Mama. Yes. Yes. You're coming to make breakfast with mama? Let's go make breakfast. Come on. I've been having a pretty busy morning. Made breakfast, look after Tyler, did some folding up of laundry that I did yesterday, and it's almost his lunchtime, so I'm gonna wait to feed him before I give him a bath. Yes, baby. Give him a bath and comb this fuzzy hair of his, and then I'm going to put him down for a nap. Baby, that's baby Tyler. That's baby Tyler. Come. Tata is in Jamaica. Sit. Sit. Tata is in Jamaica. Look at your hair. Look at your hair. What is going on with your hair? Your hair need a redemption. No, this is not for babies. Thank you. That's not for you. This is yours.
This is yours.
Sit.
Thanks.
I have a bunch of clothes to iron for babe, so I'm going to do that after I put Tyler down for a nap. Oh, I'm just going to go ahead and give you guys the Jamaican expression for today. Can I speak? No? You're so silly. This expression has been in my head. No, Papa, no, or else you're gonna go down. No, no. No, no. No, 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 no. Alright. It's time to go down. Down. Au revoir. Bye-bye. Here. Okay, you guys, so back to our regular Jamaican expressions. When I was on vacation, I realized that I was slacking off on the expressions because we're always on the go, and sometimes I'll give it and sometimes I'll forget. So now I'm sure that now that I'm home and back to the regular routine, I won't forget. So the Jamaican expression for today is, a lot of my Jamaicans will know this one because it's one that we use ever so often. So today's expression is, if I egg me half in the red. You get that? It will be funny to hear babe say this one later when he gets home. There's what we call the red of the egg is the yolk. So they're simply saying that whatever the situation is, there always have to be in it. So if it's argument, the person is in it. If it's giving jokes, the person is in it. If it's fighting, the person is in it. Whatever the situation is, the person is always nothing up themselves. The person is always have to be involved one way or the other. So it's just a person that is always involved in everything that you can think of. So you get it? Make sure you get it. If I egg me happy in the red. Alright? That's the Jamaican expression for today. Make sure you get it. And of course when babes come home, he'll put his spin on the Jamaican expression. I'm going to feed this little one, give him a bath, put him down for a nap so mama can get some stuff done. Right? You wanna say hello? Blow them kisses. You ready to go to the park? Yeah? You ready to go to the park? Go on. You're going to the park? Ball? Yeah, ball. You guys, Tyler's awake and I'm taking him to the park just downstairs real quick because I realized that since he got back from Jamaica, this boy just wants to play non-stop and he doesn't like to play with himself anymore. If I'm not playing with him, he's just not having it. You guys, it's that time of the day when I'm about to make dinner for the fam bam, and today for dinner I am making some shrimp stir fry for babe and I. All that I'm putting in the shrimp stir fry today is some shrimp which I have here seasoned up. I have onions, sweet peppers, and hot peppers somewhere in there because you know your girl can't do without her hot pepper. I have thyme, I have broccoli, carrots, and zucchini. So that's all that's going to be in the shrimp stir fry for babe and I. And for Tyler, I am making some green beans and mashed potato for Tyler. Ready and everybody's happy. He just loves looking out, but I can't allow him to come on the balcony anymore by himself like I used to when he was much younger because he couldn't climb then, but now he's such a climber, so I really can't just let him be outside by himself anymore. Gone are the days when I could just stay in the living room and he could be in his tent playing and I'm just glancing on him. But these days, once he's outside, I have to be there to be seeing him because I won't survive in a French prison. I won't survive at all. And to see my child drop from this floor down there, I'll die. Literally, I'll die. Right, Papa? Right? You don't want to get hurt. Mama don't want to see you get hurt. You guys, look who is home. The hamster. And yes, Tyler is off to bed. Tyler is Well, on
You
his
look
way
sad.
to dreamland. Who?
Ooh,
Me?
yeah.
Why would I be sad?
And you stole those off.
Maybe I don't want him to go to bed.
Maybe you're talking with.
In my nose?
Mm-hmm.
No.
Okay.
Like I said, you guys, Tyler is off to bed, baby's home, and it's date night, Friday night for us. TV date night to watch what we love to watch. Oh, the Jamaican expression for today is why you smiling? If I egg me afi in the red.
Oh pity. If I egg me, wrap me in the egg.
Okay, let's do that again. If I egg me afi in the red.
The red.
Say it now.
If I egg me afi in the red.
Say it again.
If I egg me afi in the red. If I egg me afi in the red.
If I egg me afi in the red.
Yeah, if I egg me afi in the red.
Right.
What?
You know what that means?
If I egg me afi in the red.
The red of the egg, we call the red of the egg the yolk.
What is the red of the egg?
That's what I'm telling you now. The red of the egg is the yolk, the yellow part of the egg.
Oh, you call the okay.
We call it the
you
red.
Call it the red is yellow. It's yellow, not red.
That's true. So it simply means
The Jamaican
because-
can't see properly.
wait, let me tell you what it means. Because the yolk is always in the white part of the egg. So you never see the egg without the yolk, right? So it's simply saying whatever the situation is, there's one person who is always have to be in every situation. So if it's arguing, I am in the argument. If it's fun, I have to
I
in
do
the
understand
fun.
what
If
you
it's debate, I have to be
So
in
how
the
do you
debate.
use this word as a sentence?
It's just like saying you're nothing everything you're into. You see what I mean?
Mhm.
So for example, if I always say to you, babe, I want to go to the beach, babe, I want to go to the mall, babe, I want to go here, babe, I want to go there, you just say, if I egg you off in the red, everything you want to be in.
Okay.
See what I mean?
Alright.
You understand?
Yeah, I do understand.
Alright, you guys, so there you have babe take on the Jamaican expression, and as you can see, he's pretty tired. I don't think our TV date will be going well tonight, because I'm sure he's gonna either fall asleep or leave me hanging. Alright, you guys, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to our channel, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.